So we have just finished 2 Kunu model conversions, and Kunu is our signature model layout. So we thought it would be nice to show you around them, show you the layout and the specifications that come in the Kunu model, but also the customizable elements. And as you'll see from these 2 vans, they can be really tailored to meet your needs in terms of the aesthetic and look and feel.
These vans are fully off-grid with a 360-watt solar panel up on the roof, and they come in a 2 or a 3 berth option. So let's take a look inside and show you around. Here you can see the 2 berth option for the Kunu model. There's a swivel plate passenger seat, so we've taken the double bench out the front, replaced it with 2 captain's chairs and put them on a swivel. It's really nice because it opens up the living space and you can socialise in multiple areas around the van. We've also got the seating area in the dinette position, so the box seats have been pulled apart and the table is in the middle, so when you're dining with your partner you can sit opposite one another. It's a really nice feature that we like to include in this model. The tones of the wood in this van are the dark walnut tones, which is in comparison to the light oak tones seen in the other option.
In this van, the clients opted for the 3 berth option, which means we've kept the double passenger seat and added a swivel plate. So you can turn the seats round and join the living area. And this also goes really well because the seating area is really versatile and the table can drop into a small 3rd bed. So you've got capacity to carry and sleep 3.
Let's look at some of the features on the outside of the van that the customers decided to add. The first one is this awning. This is a Fiamma F80 awning. It's 3.7 metres long and it's a really nice addition if you're going to be spending multiple days in the same location and want to extend your living space to the outside. Let's have a look at the second one, which is a pull-up bar at the back. The owners of this van are really into their fitness and they asked me to come up with an idea for a pull-up bar. So we designed this called the Vanderbar, and as you can see it can be used for a hammock chair, as Emily's showing now, but also a TRX or a pull-up bar, and it slides away when it's not in use and gets bolted into place. We're really happy with this feature.
As you can see from these 2 van conversions, the Kunu model is a great option to have a fixed bed layout in a tried and tested method, but really tailor the style to yourself. We really want to make sure that you have the van that suits all of your needs and suits your aesthetic preferences.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more van life content. And if you want to see these vans in a bit more detail, then check out the full van tour of each van in the links here.
Full specifications are also on our website if you're interested. Thank you.
Cheers.